had a dream once. I was in the cemetery of an old church, surrounded by the graves where great men of the past had been buried. And so all of a sudden the graves started to open, and an armed king stood up. And another grave opened, and another armed king stood up. And this happened all around me. And these were very formidable figures, right? They were the great heroes of the past. And after a number of them appeared on the scene, they looked around and saw each other, and being warrior types, they immediately started to fight. The question is, what stops the great kings of the past from fighting? And I had a revelation. They all bowed down to the figure of Christ. And then I woke up and I thought, what in the world did that possibly mean? And then I understood it. If you have 20 kings, let's say, and you took the thing that was most king-like about each of them, and then you combined it into a single figure, then you'd get a single figure of transcendent heroism, of transcendent good. That figure of transcendent good is symbolized by the image of Christ. And the purpose of that image is so that even the tyrannical king has someone to bend his knee to.